In our mind, suicide is a negative word which forced us to think someone's picture with depression, mental disorder, anxiety, with a hanging rope, or with a knife or poison. So basically, suicide is the act of intentionally causing one's own death, and those person who attempt suicide, we consider them against the nature, that is, it's not a natural death. But slightly different, ourselves also attempt suicide. Of course, not by a hanging rope or with a knife. It's a completely natural process, and in fact, cell death is an invariable part of animal development. In a mature human, for example, millions of cells die every minute, and we remain the same size only because by an unknown mechanism happening in our body, and the cell division exactly balances the cell death. It seems peculiarly wasteful, right, for so many cells to die and then divide again? What is the purpose of all these things? Before heading into the purpose, let us know what actually it is. So basically, the process of cell suicide is called as apoptosis, which is a type of programmed cell death, and the name itself defines what it means. Apoptosis. The origin of this complicated word is from Greek language, and its meaning is falling off. That is, it's a kind of similar to falling off a leaf from a tree when its time ends. And why it is called as programmed cell death? So like every programmed mechanism happening in our body, it is also a programmed process of cellular self-destruction by a well-mediated intracellular programs. So actually there are many kinds of programmed cell death, and apoptosis is one of them. Now let us know the purpose behind all this drama. So even though it involves destruction procedure, apoptosis serves a healthy and protective role in our body. Case number 1. During the time to shape both of our external and internal systems of body. For example, have you ever thought why our hand is like this and not like this? Why your toys look like this and not like this? Why you have a perfect brain connection to understand words? It's because of apoptosis. During the time of development of an embryo, the unneeded or potentially harmful cells commit suicide or undergo a programmed cell death procedure for our betterment to give us a perfect finger, a perfect toy, or a perfect of everything. Case number 2. It also supports the immune system. It plays a critical role during viral infection. If a cell is attacked by a virus, it will sacrifice itself into death by intaking the virus. Because it knows if it will remain there, the virus will further divide and will hamper the other cells also. Case number 3. Elimination of excess cells. Throughout vertebrate life, cell death eliminates most newly formed immune cells, which are useless or potentially dangerous. It also helps to control the cell numbers like white blood cells, which produce continuously in the bone marrow. So basically, these are the kind of situations where the cells commit suicide or undergo apoptosis, and the cell itself equipped with all sorts of proteins to make this apoptosis mechanism to happen. It's going to be interesting to see what are the things happen within a cell during the suicidal procedure, how a cell destroys itself, and how it looks like during the procedure. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how a cell looks like during the apoptosis and what is the difference between other programmed cell death happening in our body. So here is 2 simple questions for you. The number 1 question is, the apoptosis is classified as programmed cell death, non-programmed cell death, accidental cell death, or mitotic cell death. And the number 2 question is, how is apoptosis involved in normal embryological development? Apoptosis removes parts of the parent DNA from the embryo, or apoptosis is used to provide nutrients to developing cells, or overall brain development is inhibited by apoptosis to keep the embryo safe, or unnecessary parts of the body that normally develop in the embryo are removed with apoptosis. The answers of these questions I will give in my next video, but for now you can comment below what is your answer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for my upcoming video. Thanks for the watch.